This is not good. Because you see what's present. That can only last like in the world in a certain period. You will see that it has a reason that as the bright yellow that like God gave us a world filled with promise. He wanted us to use it, take care of it, and make sure that there's plenty of water, the air we breathe, the healthy environment, the forest, the trees, the beach, the snow. Then, use it!